Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a special one to me because we hit that 500 subscriber milestone, and so we are going to be giving away 2 sets of RayNeo glasses, the Air 3S Pro and the Air 3S, and all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to the channel, hit the like button on this video, watch it through in its entirety, and drop a comment on what your favorite Halloween movie to watch on these will be. And the reason it's going to be a Halloween specific movie theme is because this is going to be ending on October 1st. So on October 1st is when I will stop the entries. It may not be the day that the video gets posted with which 2 subscribers win, but it will be the day that the entries are closed. So anyone entering after that, unfortunately, you're not going to be considered on this one, but stick around with the channel because there will be more giveaways when we hit other big milestones. Now, what is the RayNeo Air 3S? What are the RayNeo Air 3S Pros? Basically, these are XR glasses, and they connect to your phone or other device that can output a video signal over USB-C, and they project a 200-inch screen in front of your face. The Air 3S Pros are significantly brighter and have a little bit better sound, but honestly, they're pretty similar in quality and screen size. Definitely the Pros are better, but they're the Pros, so whoever wins first gets the Pros, whoever wins second gets the Air 3S. Definitely not a bad deal either way. As far as the screen size goes, though, I've talked about it in a couple of videos, but basically I would relate it more to like a 42-inch screen, like 3 or 4 feet away from you. It's not like a giant IMAX experience unless you were, in IMAX and pretty far away from it. But I think they measure it at like 6 meters, so it's 201 inches at 6 meters. Definitely go check out the full videos on the Air 3S and the Air 3S Pro if you're interested in finding out more about those glasses. But I just wanted to make this video and say a big thank you to everyone who's subscribed to the channel. We've been doing it for, I don't know, about a year now, like for real. And just wanted to say thank you to everyone who's been joining us on our adventure. This is not the end of Informal Tech by any means. We're definitely picking up in this part of the season because one of the main reasons we actually made this channel was because of the LED lights like this one and that one and just all over the place. And so the holiday season's coming up and we're going to jump back into it with some more LED content, Govee, other brands. Keep an eye out for that. Definitely hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Again, make sure you drop your comment of your favorite Halloween movie that you would want to see on these glasses, and we'll get you entered to the competition. Good luck, everybody. October 1st is the day that we're going to be closing out the entries. So keep an eye out, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you can get alerted if you win. Also, one big important piece that I want everybody to have is when you do win, I'm going to need to reach out to you. And so the best way for me to do that is for you to have an email address on your channel, in your channel description, so I can go in there and reach out to you directly. I will respond to your comment and I'll have you guys reach out to me and we'll make sure that we verify who's who and get the item sent out to you. But that's all I have. I appreciate everyone watching. Again, my name is Connor. This is Informal Tech. Thanks again. Peace.